I want to teach you how to do quick net turban. Let's get started.
Dead baby, what's up?
W, the crafty producer.
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Tech Beauty. My people, mona focus on eye, anytime. That's why I put for my head. Now one satin, I just squeeze them together. I squeeze them together, make my hair look pop big. Then this thing I want put so now the cap where we make it they sleep. Now the one we get elastic for the if you want sleep, you don't want to make your hair dirty. So now I cut it press and down, my people. So we want create net turban, net. You know, say we dey see different turban, we dey see the ashoke turban, we dey see net. So this one what would they do? So in case you get all this single plait, your hair, you get big hair done already, you don't need to wear that thing put for under at all. The only thing you just need just wear this cap and start creating your turban. And because say I get cornrow, my hair dey very flat. That make me fair put something under. If you just carry any cloth, carry your shirt, carry your pikin cloth, shirt, put am under, use cap on, take cover am. So my people, una focus una eye, na be the key, una see am. So this net wey I get, so we can get it wey dey my hand, so you can get it in any material job. I no wan make this video too dey very speed. That make I just leave am for the normal speed. First, I can't tie am together for the edge, for the two edge. You tie the two color together. Now you can't place am for your back. We are starting from the back. More focus. We have different way what they do to burn, but this pattern now they more easier pass because now operation do it yourself. Okay, if you want more explanation, you come to my live stream. So Mona see the way I take start the crossing. You cover one ear, open the other ear. You take the other side, take cover. You can see this one we just fed take so. I cover one ear for this side, the other ear I can't open now. So right now, my people, I can't still take the other color. Cover this ear, I can't take and still take cross and carry and go the back side. Now so we will take do all of them before it go finish. But what I just want Mona just understand for this video is it's very good you learn things on yourself. This head wrap now, you can use it on your English outfit. You can use it on your traditional outfit. You understand? So now so you just take the black again, take it round, then take the red again, take it round. In case you wanna focus on her eye, let me say introduce myself. I don't already mention my name. So I based here in United Kingdom, London. In case you want to book me for your event, I'm available to travel all over the world, my people. So we are into makeup, we are into gele, all beauty now we dey do. We dey do bridal hair, we dey do traditional bridal hairstyles as well. If you want to know more of my makeup and all my job, so just go to my Instagram. The name of my Instagram is Tech Beauty. So because my Facebook is very busy, I dey post different things there. My YouTube, maybe you know, can't see what you like urgent, or except you go to check. But my Instagram is more easier if you want to see my job. So go to my Instagram and see all my job, they are there. So book me for your event. Okuku we dey do one, Igbo traditional hair we dey do one, white wedding hair we dey do one, makeup we give it to you the way you want it, lad, natural, anyone you want, we dey give people the way they want it. Any hairstyle at all, gele, send me the picture. If you have the material, I will deliver it to you. So my people, I hope una dey focus una eye on na turban we dey create, so zigzag front turban now we dey create. So once you don't fit create am, if you see and say the material don't end, you go make sure say you see they use your hand till they observe the back side. So that day why I do this video, I can't do online meeting with my family member. Meanwhile, it never reached my turn to talk. You know, say we dey do family WhatsApp meeting. All of them know say I dey do gele for social media. I can't. It never reached my turn, but I just did there. Now video meeting, everybody they see ourselves. I just hang my phone. And now say since the meeting will take like lowest 1 hour meeting. No say now almost once in a month we take dey do am. I just still make them understand say I dey here with them, but I just dey do my own thing. Me, I know say me, I know dey play with my time. So my people, so once you see and say don't reach the end, you can't take and just dey round down for one spot. You can't use pin, take pin now. So I dey meeting the listing. Now make I still carry my eye go from the beginning. I dey like say I dey talk to people. Now meeting now dey. You can't use pin, take pin where you know say it need pin. So once it don't end, so the black don't end, we want use the brown now to end down. You go make sure say you spread down. See the way I take the spread down, me for cover all the back. This style is very unique, very classic. And I see say the way I take the do my maths, my people, muna no vex, and I'm meeting a day. So my people, in case you don't like this style, if you now go to my YouTube channel, I get more than 600 video for there, different style, so you can learn. I have the rubber band gele, I have simple rows, I have round, I have fan, I have all the style, I have Rufus. No style will not dey my YouTube channel. Even this my even my Facebook, but my Facebook, before you go get her, you will come across different video before. So but if you just go to my YouTube channel, you press the option of videos, all the videos could just come out with the nice thumbnail. So that's what we see on my people. So once you don't feel manage wrap all of them, you can't use pin for the area where you need pin, and you use your hand till the press. I not can remember whether I show my back. I just pray my show this back of this video, my people. So in case I not show the back, I just use my hand to observe any area where open down. I can't use pin to pinner. It is very easy. In case you not certified for the back side, I'll tell you say maybe not vex, because I still get the same style, but I can't use pink to do one pink color, light pink. So you check it did my Facebook and YouTube as well. So that one I show the back, I show everything. On this day I not can remember, I just pray my turn my back before this video go finish. So my people, I still did sell makeup product as well. I did sell makeup product, I did sell perfume. In case you want follow me back, now my number now be that. So try Mona patronize me. This is the final. I am ready. I am super ready. You know, say if you know how to tie your tie, you know how to do your makeup the way you want it, natural one, lad one, you are ready to go. If you dey go church, you fit package yourself. If you go event, you fit package yourself. So Mona try, dey learn because it's very good you learn. See you on my next video. Thanks for now. Bye bye.
Jehovah carry me, they go the beauty house. Carry me, they go. Jehovah carry me, they go.